them wheels. Don't touch, but you can scoot in. The real trick is the weight of this should hold up the hood.
Right.
Then I'll use the guy's expertise for lowering up and down, back and forth.
Oh, cool.
Do that, boy. Get comfortable because you have to put the front high.
Oh, yeah. It's hard.
Don't get too close yet. Watch Joel's moving closer. Don't break my machines. Can you get closer? Can you take a step towards the truck, Joel? Because I got to get in. Back up, boys. No problem. You see, you're leaning on me. I can't get forward again. Can you help? What do you want to do? Back. Come on, camera. All right, you guys. I'm letting go, but you got to go higher, and I've got to get in here where I can bolt. Just take a little bit away.
Oh, this is the best area.
Now see, I'm coming, pulling my way just a bit. Over Mason's way because I got to start the bolts. I don't have things going. I mean, there's part of it. You hold yours. You keep it from getting back. Let me get a rag. You're hitting. Don't rest it. You lift up and what's the whole head's gonna come this way? Nope. Right there. It comes right up close to hitting the windshield. That's why Jason's broke the windshield out of his.
Oh, it's heavy. Going in? Yep.
Yeah. Book. Yeah, the guy's hit it. This weight washer goes between. How long can you guys hold it for an hour and a half now?
Nah, that's what I
Go read a book.
You read,
gotta take it off and do it.
you read slow, that's never good. Can't you like one blow at a time just switch between sides?
Up Joel and that person. I tell you, being blind is now it's gonna you have to hold the weight in the front carefully while I try this. over the front.
Side held on?
Yeah, you are bolted a little bit,
You
Joel,
can't
but
let go.
yeah, it's not only one pole.
Ultimately, which I don't know, I can take these off later. Let's see, lower the hood some. Drag raising the hood slowly, so just a little careful. Down and what's this? There, something. Okay, let's close it for a moment. Wait, dude, it's not coming down. You step out farther, really? This one. Way to get. Put the little box up in there. Fingers up. Should have bought more of these in case it's rotten. Slip this up in there and get things. Joel, I think he. This isn't how it's supposed to be. This is weird. Backwards again, but I'll try to do it. Just weird. How did I do that wrong? Both these ways don't seem to work, huh? Can you raise it a little bit, Joe? Or down, down. Let's see what the hell's going on there. Okay.
You want to go over there and hold the corner?
I think I'm close. Let's see. That way, just a little. I can't probably get the nut. Can't get the nut held in place without losing it. Can't wait. Did I get it started? Looks like I may have. There we go. Did I get a nut? What's going on? Okay. I'll leave, man, I can't really leave that. Oh no. I can't get the wrench off that. That ain't gonna work.
I guess loosen it a bit.
Still isn't gonna work.
Put it on the open end and then put a piece of tape on the back.
Yeah, that's what I have to do. Put all that finagling. Now, is it holding? Lose that shit. I'll never find it again. It does fall out. Alright.
Hold it right there, Joe. It's perfect.
Yep.
Oh, you're sinking.
What?
I don't know if you can guide me there.
No, I'm still gonna tighten it. But you actually got to use your finger the other way. I don't know if you can. Can you? Huh? Alright, something ain't right.
Keep coming down.
Definitely gonna pull you. Ain't right. I had to just set it down on this too. I didn't want you to let go of it, so I didn't. It's chipping. It's sitting on there. Right. You lift it back up slowly. I'm really disappointed how the canvas is working. Might have to pull that corner. So you gotta kind of pull it. Go ahead and pull it, lift it. Supposed to loosen and use the canvas. Don't like that.
Fish eye. And this one's loose over here.
That's what I want. For men, which one? Yeah, I want that one, that one real loose. Semi-loose, and then supposedly I'm supposed to be able to close it. Get it. I'm gonna try tightening those with the crescent wrench here a little more on. Somewhat pushing the go in there. Go look. One other thing in the book. They don't show a bushing. I can't believe that they turned it.
So Joel, what words do you have to say to your brother right now about you being here and him not?
You gotta be here instead. That's what I have to say. You gotta be doing this.
You said he's the car nut, right?
Mm-hmm.
He loves playing cars with your dad.
Yeah.
Try down easy, Jill. Slowly, and you watch over there, mate. And slowly, the way to go. Kind of help that end down as it goes. Pushing. It should pull it. Push it down. So don't make it let it hit. Like it, don't like it, don't like it. Tape. Oh, yeah. You need to tighten something and then like a rubber too. But don't like the changes. I expected something better.
So why don't they hold themselves up?
Try it.
Wide angle.
Down just a little more. Down. I like it.
Does the hood rest on the camera?
Kind of. There's rubber bumpers they rest on, and once it's done, then it rests on a hood. Flashlight. I'll tighten it. Well, like I say, I don't understand why the hood won't stay up. I didn't have all the weight on it. This way. This was. Need that end wrench for the whole thing. This ratchet on the bottom screw. Find my end wrench. Is it hitting anywhere? Is it hitting that corner? You see that? You know, that as I go, it doesn't rake across that pane anymore. You gotta lift that bottom up so that those hinges should be taken care of now. Okay, let the heat just get. It really doesn't. That's part of the problem. I almost wished I hadn't put the hood on now to work on it.
Fisheye.
But the hood should drop down. Those hinges should have come down. Damn, I regret that. I want it done.
Well, you're rushing things. Doing half-ass work.
Not me. Look at this. Probably shouldn't have put the hood. Pull it open again. It looks like you're gonna have to lift here, Ethan. Like I said, I don't understand that. Watching it over there. Listen to it. Can you come around here and hold this hood? Dude? The other two screws. It happens, but. Soup. Pardon me.
All done?
Yep. We should go there.
Yeah, right. I've already seen.
Just don't back in the gym parking lot.
Right.
A little something you don't want to talk about right now.
Yeah, she's like, don't hit the truck, and then back in. I'm like, oh, I'm too close to that car. Back out, slow. Okay, go for it. Never mention a tree again. I always hit him. They put me in the hospital. That's not good.
Hey.
Do they?
Hey.
So what are you eating and from where?
What?
What are you eating and from where?
Seafood Alfredo from Olive Garden.
Olive Garden. I was like, that don't look familiar from any restaurant around here.
Almost. Perfection takes time, buddy. I also want to fold this up.
It's got little claws all over it, man.
Yeah.
Terrible thing about this, isn't it?
It needs to be sanded and buffed. This is it. Dad, got an hour and a half to eat?
Well,
Where'd that other round go? Where'd that other towel go? See that one?
The white one?
Yeah.
The only one I had was I sat on the tire.
Oh well, Joel's got all day. But I'm very disappointed when I put it like hinges. Okay, bring it down very slowly. There, then. Ever so slowly, and kind of pull it out towards you when you do. Kind of good. Well, it's kind of right, but exactly like I suppose a little more tweaking. The rest of it actually looks pretty well centered. It's not. Tweak it this way just a bit. Wait, but we got it on place anyway. Thank you. Now, what are you boys off to do?
Nothing now, it's too late.
Nothing what?
Nothing now, it's too late.
Where are you gonna go?
Just gonna go shooting in an hour and 15 minutes ago.
That much gap there, I actually like the way it fits here. I'm thinking you can shove it back just a little bit here, actually just a teeny bit.
Clean up my folder and go back to school. Alright.
Get
On the
this
folder?
thought. Well, it fits somewhat. Think about it. You can see where if you don't do your hood latch on a 56 Ford, it'll come up and bust the windshield right out of the truck.
So would you like to say anything to your son?
Yeah. Wish you were here, Jason. Help do the finesse work. Be safe. Do it. stick that will hold this thing. You know, I'm a little confused about what I did that. I gotta put something back there. There. That'll serve us right for putting the hood on. Now I can't work on it. I forgot how tight it was with the hood open. I was thinking I didn't want the fenders to lay over. I can still do it without making a mess. Just gotta be really careful not to kick out and hurt somebody. But two things I've got to do. Shouldn't fall down. I'll do some final tweaking when I put the fenders on and grill support. Another project I was half into here now. I have to use boy power while I can. Surprisingly too, these weren't deluxe doors, so I had to cut the key lock into it.
Really?
I gotta give old Jim down there credit. He made a template, reversed it, put it around from the other door to this one, cut it in, and he hit it right on the money, which I'm surprised. Only because some of his other work.
There we go.
Ready? Beautiful badge. So they put more chrome and stainless goodies on this year than any other. That's right. This is the kind of stuff I enjoy. Did you see my wheels down there, Heath?
I did.
That's what more pictures of that. Just like Mama likes it. Play with something else here. Almost. I want to see how well they fit. I'm almost thinking of gluing and not putting the barrel clips that are supposed to go in. That's right, in case I do. Yeah. Number. Stay like I wanted without finding the right nuts. Get it off. That's good. Fit quite as well. Those would hold.